So guys, today I'm sharing a project management tool which is called Gantt chart. So if you don't know what Gantt chart is basically a tool in which you can punch in your tasks, punch in the start and end date, and it will show you the percentage of completion. Plus, it will show you the bars and how many days are left or whatever. So in the charting form, you can see the progress of any particular project. Now this is a template which is being created by us, and we will be sharing this template if you're gonna comment Gantt. So if you will comment, then we will be sharing, but I'll show you how we can use it. So now we have to just punch in the task over here. It's quite simple to use it, and we have number of days. Like say we have something to do. For example, we have to complete a presentation. So I will say task 1 research, okay, then task 2 find images, and task 3 create content. Okay, what I'll do is I will give 5 days. For finding images I'll keep 2 days, then create content I'll give 2 days. So this is how the Gantt chart will be created on the right. Okay, and if you want to remove the dependencies, you can easily check it or keep it the way it is. Normally whenever I prefer to create any task list, I don't create parallel task lists, and if they can be managed in parallel like 5 days, so what I will do is I will split it in like say 10 days will take completely to create a presentation. So I will be splitting it like 6 to 2. Okay, so 10 days, and then maybe I can say approval and finalization. Okay, so these are the 5 tasks which I want to create. Approval I want to keep 2 days, and I want to keep 2 days for this. So 14 days are total which are kept for this presentation to be done. So now you can say we have a timeline and the task decided, and this is how it is looking like. If you want to increase the number of days, you can increase the number of days with just a simple formulation. Just have to punch in like dates, and it will be done immediately. Okay, so in 30 days we can do this particular task, and dependencies are created. Lead may you can say like Jason or Maria, whosoever is working over there, Sonam or Ahmad, whatever name. So this is a very simple sheet in which project management becomes easy. Once you have created or taken this template from me and copied it and created your own sheet, you can share this particular sheet with your teammates, and if the sharing has been done, they all can see the task in a view mode, and one guy can manage the particular project. So this is a simple way to manage your project. How is sharing is to be done? I will be sharing the link once you have commented Gantt, and you just have to go to your Google, paste the link. Okay, it will open in as view only, and you just have to go make a copy. Like say you want to say David Gantt chart, my drive, and a copy will be created. Okay, so this is how now it is personalized. Now it is yours. If you want to do any kind of changes from here, you can go and do the changes. So this is how this is gonna work. So I'll show you, there is a help section which is gonna show you the detailed use of this particular Gantt chart, how you can copy, paste, or if you want to just say insert one row over here, you will copy this row, then you will insert a row below, then you can paste this row, and automatically the dependency will be created, automatically the chart will be created, and nothing is broken. So this is a professional template, and if you need it, just comment Gantt and subscribe and follow, and we will be sending it across to you. Hope it helps. Please, your commenting actually helps people increase the reach of the post. So if you are going to comment, you are actually helping others. You are helping us. Obviously, we are creating the content, we are creating the templates for you. So we also need some help from you. and you are helping others also, because if anyone else needs this kind of template, the reach will be increased, and they will for sure benefit, and of course you will be giving a helping hand to them also, like the way we are doing as a content creator. Okay, thank you, thanks for your time, thanks for watching. Keep on loving my content, and that is all what I need for motivation. Thanks a lot.